Para ano, para flower na. Magpila nga. Ay, magpila. Flower mo lang kay Pro. Oh, bigyan mo ito. Ito, ano na? Full the light. Nakakala ko. All in light. Guys, please be grateful. Guys, let's be thankful and grateful to Mom Del for always with us from the beginning of our OGT and also from the
Uy, may pa-ampaw si...
Ayaw niyong ano. Nakasalubin. You can say whatever you want to
Yung
say.
mic yun, hindi ako.
And let's celebrate the Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, pwede naman kayong kumanta.
Thank you, Ma'am Del, for the patience and kindness to us. I love you.
Thank you, Ma'am Del. We all hope that we need the Lord.
Thank you. Let's say bye. Sorry, don't say bye.
Thank you, Ma'am Del. Tsaka kasaway.
A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what I want to be. A vision of
Mom Del, thank you so much for everything. Thank you for your mother day.
Sasayaw na lang kami.
I love you.
Okay, I love you too, Thank you, Ma'am, for being good to me.
Ay, naku, happy Mother's Day. Asan na yung magbibigay?
Oy, may video ko dyan. Thank you so much. Harap mo nga doon. Harap mo doon.
Dito da. Tapos dito tayo lahat. Dito kayo lahat. Dito kayo lahat. Picture, picture, picture.
Kamay, kamay. Kamay.
Run away.
Oy, hawak kayo ng cross.
Huwag na kayo mag-awa kay Ma'am Del.
A million dreams are keeping me awake.
Ay, Mama, come here. Ano kaya?
Think of what the world can be. A vision of the world I see. A million dreams is all that's gonna take. A million dreams the world will get me. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with us. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see. Till I wanna close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. The blood has gone through my head.
Dito ka, dali.
Nawala na tayo.
Ay, ate, oh.
Dreams all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world gotta make. Hello. Isa pa. Picture. Picture, picture. Hello, si Ate. Hello, si Ate Victoria.
Ate, Ate Bilin, come
Dito
here.
na lahat.
Ate Bilin.
Happy Mother's Day sa mga mago.
Ate Bilin, come here. Kami po, lahat po tayo. Dali.
Okay.
Picture. Picture, picture. Group
I have a
picture
word
po tayo.
for you all, guys.
Yes, yes, yes. Come here, ma'am.
Dito na ako.
Oh, sige na, ma'am. Sige na.
May kasama ako.
Dito kayo, dito kayo. Picture tayo.
Wow, nasa likod si Ate.
Opo, opo, opo. Picture tayo.
Gagawin ka.
Okay, ma'am, dali ka dito. Picture muna. Picture muna tayo, ma'am. Picture, ma'am. Gawa. Picture namin.
Ay, yun sorry.
Picture natin. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
Wherever we are going, please don't forget ma'am then.
Yung chat natin, sana walang mag-bid. Ay,
Yes. Let's stay as a second and fourth. Please, ma'am then is always there for us anytime.
Kaya mo si Ma'am Del mag-speed.
Kasi nga umiyak na siya.
Ay, wala na picture.
Iyak-iyak na yan. Tulad na.
Iiyak na yan. Saan man tayo pupunta na ibang bansa, kung nag-apply ka sa ibang bansa, please stay connected.
Wherever we are going, please don't forget ma'am then.
Yung chat natin, sana walang mag-bid. Ay, nag-iyak ko!
Let's stay as a second and fourth. Please, ma'am then is always there for us anytime.
Kaya mo si Ma'am Del mag-speed.
Kasi nga umiyak na siya.
Dali wala na picture. Pati yung luwa ko. Mga flowers dito. Balik ko sa inyo. Tuloy mo na speech ko, ma'am.
Yay! Welcome!
Isang pangarap, ako'y naniniwala. Uy! Sako, ano ba yan? Alam nyo, ang ginawa ng nursing tayo, batch A, right? Batch 28, pero ang 27 at 28, sila lang po ang nakagawa ng ganito. Kasi parang yung ginawa niya sa graduation, yung ginawa nila kay Ma'am Clement. First time din. Second time. Second time. Oh. Kaya, thank you so much sa mga team leader ninyo, lalo na si May. May feedback kasi na sabi nila, uy, bakit kami mga doon sa group namin, walang ganyan na nangyayari. Sabi nila, ako naman sabi ko, dito yun sa leader. Di ba?
Yes.
Oh, di ba?
Balik mo nga ako ulit. Ba't ba nag-iib ba?
Kaya, please, huwag na
Nag-iib ka para.
Ma'am, hindi, nagpaalam naman ako, lalo na. Sabi ko,
tinutupak to, ma'am. Ganyan
sabi ko, after the
Dalawa kami tupak. Ayun.
Hindi ko alam.
Ganyan ka din.